Right here I have an amazing set of patio furniture from Furnimart. What's up guys, my name is TJ and today I'm going to be reviewing this two-piece set of these chairs. Now this is going to be a high density polyethylene material, so you actually don't have to worry about this fading, cracking, or repainting this later in the future. It's going to be totally weatherproof and very durable. Actually, each one of these chairs holds up to 330 pounds, which is going to be super impressive, and it's also going to accompany a bunch of different shapes and body types because it does have a wide base as well. These chairs are really comfortable and ergonomic. I have a ton of room on each armrest. It's not going to be flimsy, feels very smooth to the touch, and it even has a wood grain type finish on here, which just makes it look so much more natural. But you're not going to have to deal with the warping that comes with regular wood. Now let's go ahead and take a closer look. So as we check out these a little bit closer, guys, look at this amazing color. This is going to be a really nice blue finish. These were super easy to assemble. The directions were really easy to follow, and everything just went together perfectly. Now you can see on the base with this high density polyethylene, it's very thick and it has a nice wide frame as well. We're gonna have weatherproof hardware as well, so you're not gonna have to worry about anything rusting or corroding. I love the shape on here. It has a nice L shape, but it also is just very ergonomic and feels great when you're sitting in the chair. I love this comes in a two-piece. You can also get this with a little bistro table in the middle as well. You can also order a dining table setup with 5 chairs or 7 chairs. So you have a lot of different options, and these do come in different colors. These look absolutely amazing. I love that these can just get rained on, but they stay amazing and in such great condition. Go and check out the other colors. I highly recommend these chairs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.